Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're in Brookhaven, and this is my first time playing Brookhaven. Naturally not my first time, so yeah. I have made a lot of videos of Brookhaven, but I'm super duper excited to play Brookhaven. And as you knew, TT already posted the videos of like stuff and stuff. Like I have the same hair as her. So yeah, and Layla's not home yet. I don't know why she's not home yet. Why is she not home yet? Ooh, she's gonna be in big trouble if she does not come home in 2 hours. Naturally in 4 hours. Because yeah, she's supposed to be home by school. Or probably she's just going somewhere. But Cecilia is just doing her homework. So yeah, she just so yeah, we're in quarantine today, and yeah, up there Cecilia's doing her schoolwork, and I think like Layla and Layla's getting in trouble because she's not supposed to go in school. But when the virus is over, she's gotta go to school. That's all what she has to do. I don't know why she does not follow the rules. Like, wow. I don't know why. Alright, I guess Layla's coming home. Oh, I don't think so. So yeah. While we wait, I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner. Hmm. Oh, silly. Oh my gosh, I forgot to wash my hands. Let me go ahead and wash my hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub. Always wash your hands because it's good for you. Hmm. Hmm. Once I see that white bus, that means I know Layla's home. Hmm. Alright. Washing my hands. Right? So let me go. I'm gonna go ahead and cook. Let me go ahead and place this. Hmm. Oh, the gas is not working. Well, I guess I have to order some food. Alright, so on call. Hello. Hello. Well, hello. Welcome to to Pizza Hut. How may I help you? Oh my gosh. No, this is not Domino's. Right. Um, this is Domino's. Hello, welcome to Domino's Pizza. Nice and cheesy, stretchy and meaty. How may I take your order today? Can I please can I please go to can I please have a large pepperoni pizza, please? Yes, and well, and what else? That will be it. Okay, that's your total of 150. Actually, $1. Beep. Okay, bye. 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 Oh, oh my gosh. The hack. Mom, help me. Help me. Mom, help me. You gotta help me. Layla. Oh my gosh. No, Layla. Layla, what's happening? The purge. I meant. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, what is wrong? Oh my god. The hackers are back from 2019. They're back? Oh my gosh. No, no, run away. Go, go, go. Close the curtains. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and turn off the lights. Right, Layla, go to your bedroom. Okay. Alright, I turned off the light. Layla, I said go upstairs. Go to your room. I'll turn off all the lights in this house. Alright. What a disaster. It has been a horrible day. Gosh, just wipe your chairs, okay? Okay, well, here's a paper towel. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you so much, Mom. All right, you're welcome, sweetie. So we're gonna turn off all the lights because we don't want anybody coming. Yeah. Oh. All right. Oh, I'm gonna go and turn off all the lights. Since, well, it's nighttime. Yeah, I'm gonna be near the safe. I'm gonna go and still recover. Yeah. I brushed my teeth. We never got into pizza yet, but I'm just going to bed. Alright. The girls are getting ready to go to bed. The girls are done with their schoolwork. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and have a talk with Layla for her coming home late, and I don't know why. Good night. Ugh. Good morning, everybody. It's already 5 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, the girls are still asleep. Yeah, they're asleep in the room, this guest room, as you were wondering as. So yeah, let's go ahead and go downstairs. Good, nobody's awake. Whoa, I think I'm gonna go and go out. Yeah, naturally go and have a good time without them because I just need some me time. Yeah, right, need some me time, right? Oh my gosh, why can't I turn off? Oh, there we go. So I'm going to be going. This is the way to it, alright. Then tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the girls from school. Then tomorrow I'm gonna make the girls go to school. Later on. No, this is our quarantine routine. Alright. We're driving. Alright. Oh, don't we have popcorn here? And if you weren't wondering, this is so good. Alright, let me go and stop eating. I'm gonna go and try to put that away. Alright. And I'm going to be going to the motel. Hold on, no, I need to go ahead and go to the airport. Cause yeah, you know, like yeah. After this, we're gonna go ahead and have breakfast together. I'm gonna wake up the girls later. Wait a minute. Oh, I did not see them in their rooms, so they must be at school. They left at 4 in the morning. Wow. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fill in. Hello there. Can I go ahead and get a job here? Alright, I'm gonna sign these papers. Right, I'm gonna sit on the bench and sign these papers. Gotta make sure I sign them all. Wait a minute. It says China, Florida, Canada, Greece, Portugal, Hawaii. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go to Florida. Like, yeah. I can't believe I'm going to Florida. Alright. So, I'm done. Let me go back. Alright, I'm gonna pay for first class. Alright, done. I got first class. I was able to go ahead and pay because I'm rich. So yeah. Gosh, that man is really creepy. Like yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and shop for groceries. Yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and try to go to my job to work. Then while that is over, I'm gonna go and pick up the girls from school. Oh my gosh. Alright, going to the grocery shop. I'm gonna have a lot of groceries in my car. Oh my gosh, it's still 5 in the morning. So I have plenty of time. And at 7 a.m. in the morning, work starts. So yeah, and then I can go ahead and clean up the house because the house is a little messy. Fine, it's a lot of messy, alright? Let me go and see what we need. Oh, we have apples and a sour apple. I think one of them would like an apple. Yeah, Layla would love an apple, and the other one would love a sour apple. So yeah, since they're older, since she's older, so yeah. The one with the sour apple is older, so yeah. There we go. We got 2 different apples. Ooh, a banana for me. I love bananas. Right, we're gonna get an apple. Hold on. There we go. Looked like a Happy Meal there. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get some cold pizza. Nah, just kidding. The pizza's coming in a few hours after I get back from work. So yeah, I have to. Alright, we're gonna buy Doritos. Let's go and see. Sandwiches. Yum, I love sandwiches in my game. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy a lot of stuff. So yeah, that's really healthy. Right guys, we're back. We already got like sandwiches. We got bread. We got bread. So yeah, we got fully roast bread. Yum, I love these. And we got meat too, since the girls don't really like salad and tomatoes, but I got myself some some cabbage and tomatoes. Right? We are getting milk for cereal in the mornings when the girls wake up. Oh, and yeah, we're actually out of milk, so yeah. We're gonna go ahead and try to make ice cream. That's why we're not buying ice cream today. We're going to be getting Coke and bloxade. I like bloxade, but alright. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get some water. There we go, I got water. Oh, there's snack bars. That is so cool. You know what? I like Reese's Pieces a lot. I like Reese's Pieces, yeah. But I think Cecilia would love Hershey's, yeah. And like yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna check out. Right, I'm putting all my items. Alright, everything's out, and yeah, my total is 150. Alright, that's not that bad. Right, and here you go. Alright, bye. Alright, I'm going to work now. Let me just hold on. Ugh. I need to put the groceries in on the back of the truck. On the Jeep. Alright, let me go in and put this in. There we go. So now I can go home now. I gotta go to work. Right? I work somewhere around here. Yeah. Oh, there's a pink car here. That's cool. Oh my gosh, this bus. That's not the girls' bus. Yeah. So yeah, I naturally worked at the hospital. Yeah. Alright, let's go and go. Wait, no, I'm a writer. Yeah, I'm a writer. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go home. All I need to do is write all day, which is really fun and relaxing. Wow, I chose the best job ever. And is this our home? It is the house. My house. Oh my gosh, who is this girl? Wait a minute. Is this Claire? My cousin. Oh my gosh, my cousin. Oh my God, no! I'm really bad at driving. You know I'm a bad driver. Ah! Ever since I had blonde hair, she had pretty points. Yeah. Right. Let's go in. Let's go ahead and close the garage. Let me go ahead and like try to be here. Sorry I was not home. It's because yeah, you know I had to go to the grocery store, get the book a flight for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna book a flight for Wednesday. Alright, fine. I booked a flight for Wednesday. Alright. Yeah, 2 more days until we go on the flight. Oh, it's really misty here. I hope the girls took their jackets and their hoodies and stuff. Hopefully they took their jackets and hoodies. If not, real, they're getting in trouble, girls. Yeah, of course they are. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and make breakfast. Yeah, because I need to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and make some yummy breakfast. the breakfast that I love, the breakfast that I adore, basically adore so much, right? Let me wash my hands because it's really good to wash your hands before you cook or eat. Basically, always. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get cooking. Oh, and I also brought meat and stuff. Naturally, I brought T-bone and chicken. See if the girls want any. So yeah, this is a oven thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go and make some waffles. Why not? Why not waffles? Like, yeah, right. If anybody tries to knock on my door, they're gonna get banned from my house. So yeah. Alright, alright guys, we already made the waffles. All you need to do is just get it out of the oven. Made myself waffles. Alright, let me go and get it out. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah, I don't even know how to get the waffles in this game. Like, yeah, all I made is waffles for breakfast today. Yeah, I'm fine with that. The girls should be home at 6 a.m. at 6 o'clock. But Layla will be home by like 1 in the morning. Ooh. That's really, 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 really late. Wow, this girl are I'm gonna have some problems. Both of us are gonna get problems. We're gonna have problems. Me, and Layla are gonna have problems tomorrow morning. So yeah. Hopefully Cecilia can make it by 6 or 7. Because woo! Then it's gonna get cold. Alright, I really want Cecilia to make it on time. I really want her to make it on time. Yeah. Probably she'll be home by 4 o'clock or 3. Or I don't know. Right. Eating waffles right now. This is pretty good. These waffles are really good. I baked them really well. Yum. Yum. So good. Hopefully she's home now. Yum. It's so delicious. The flavor, like, it tastes, it really tastes like the meadow. Like, yeah, it tastes really nice. Yum. Sorry, man, I can't adopt you. Yeah. This is so good. So good. So good. Hopefully, Cecilia is wearing her shark, jacket and her pants. Cause if I don't see her wearing it, phew, she's gonna go ahead and get in trouble. So yeah. This is so good. Like, hopefully she's not wearing ripped pants or anything. Cause like, yeah, she gets really cheeky about it and stuff. So yeah. And yeah, I think she's wearing her shark hoodie or whatever hoodie she's wearing. I don't know what hoodie it is. It's just, all I know is She loves her shark hoodie. But her only jacket and pants are the shark one. And like yeah. And yeah, one of them is from her favorite fan, of course, yeah. Favorite one ever, so yeah. Well, I really want her to get on home on time. Hopefully she's home by 7 o'clock. And dinner will be ready. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. I need to make dinner. I need to make dinner. OMG, I need to make dinner. No. I need to make dinner. Right. Right, where's the cooking supplies? Where are the cooking supplies? Right, right, what else? Alright, let me wash the hands. Ugh. Gosh, I'm in the crisis. Right now. Oh, God. Alright, let me go and cook. I'm gonna try to cook. Right. Right, by the time Cecilia gets home, the food will be ready. It's gonna last 3 hours. It's gonna be 3 hours. Yeah, she'll be probably home at 8 o'clock. Doing my waffle. Put the banana and apple there. Yum, 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 Alright, yummy. Alright. She's about to be home by 11 o'clock. So yeah, Cecilia is supposed to be home by 7 o'clock. At least she's hanging out with her friends or something. Right? She's going. Right? Beep! Beep! Oh my gosh, that's my cell phone. I gotta pick it up. Beep! 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 Hello? Hello? Hi? Hi, Mom! Hi. So what time are you gonna be home? Oh, not that much. I'm gonna go ahead and be home at 11 o'clock. All right, sounds great to me. Right. Bye. Bye. Children. We're back. All right, guys, we're already here. We're already back, and it's 8 o'clock now. All right, the food is almost done. All right. Well, Layla's upstairs. She's a baby. Hold on, I'm gonna turn baby mode on. What I meant to say is that Layla's a baby. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and alright, she's just going to bed. Now she's in bed. I mean, she already has food now. She has her bottle upstairs. So yeah, I think Layla's gonna be all alright. Well, Layla's taking a big nap. When is this kid coming home? Gotta breathe. The food is ready now. Oh my gosh, it's about to be 11 o'clock. It's going to be so late since he's a kid. Or is she just taking her scooter? Oh my gosh. No, it's almost 11 o'clock. Time is ticking. Ding dong. Oh, that's her. I can see her. Okay. No. Where is it? All right, she's home. She's home. By 12:10, she can't come in anymore. All right, 12:10, locking doors. All right, everything's locked. Right, Cecilia's here, guys. Yeah. All right. All right. She said, I don't know. Like, she said, mommy. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Please prepare yourselves on your food. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Make sure you go ahead and wash your hand. All right. Prepare yourself. Please wash your hands before you eat. Hold on, I got a roommate too. If you were at school, so yeah. And I roommated you. Right, washing hands. All right. Make sure you scrub them with soap. Scrub. Always being healthy. Right, be healthy, please. Okay, Mom. I'm like, make sure he has had a good time. Right, please eat. All right. All right. So yeah, that's his new. So yeah. Mommy, can I eat upstairs? Okay, sure. You can go ahead and eat upstairs. You can go ahead and eat upstairs. But after this, you're gonna go to bed. All right. She's throwing her plate in the sink. All right, she's going to bed. I'm gonna go ahead and kiss her goodnight upstairs. So yeah. So yeah, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So yeah, guys. I think that will be it. I never done my job though. So yeah. Well, because I didn't work. I guess that's gonna finish the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. So yeah. And yeah, she did not say goodnight yet. Oh yeah, she did. Good night. All right, good night. Yeah, so yeah, Lita's a baby and Cecilia's a kid. So yeah. Okay. All right, she said good night. Good night. Right, she gotta make sure she turns off the light. First, she can go ahead and sleep. Yeah, guys, that would be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what do you think of this video. And if you want to join our role plays, I'm gonna leave my Roblox username in the link of the description. Bye for now.